In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Autofill in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing data for a big project or just keeping track of a simple household budget, knowing how to make Google Sheets work smarter for you can save a lot of time and effort. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's open up a new Google Sheet. If you're familiar with Google Drive, you can easily create a new sheet by clicking on the New button and selecting Google Sheets. Make sure you have your data set up in a way that makes sense for what you're trying to achieve. For this demonstration, we'll be focusing on how to use the autofill feature to simplify calculations. Once you have your Google Sheet open, we're going to locate and click on cell C1. This is where we're going to input our formula. This particular example will involve a simple summation of two cells, A1 and B1. This will set the foundation for using autofill effectively. Click into cell C1 so it's ready for input. Now, in cell C1, type in the formula, =SUM, followed by opening parenthesis, A1, A comma, B1, and then closing parenthesis. So the complete formula will look like this, SUM, A1, B1. The sum formula is a basic function in Google Sheets that adds values together. In this case, it will sum the values from cells A1 and B1. After typing in the formula, go ahead and hit the Enter key. This will execute the command you've typed and display the result of the summation in cell C1. If you've typed everything correctly, you should see a result that represents the sum of the values in A1 and B1. With the data in cell C1 displayed correctly, let's use the autofill feature to apply this formula across other cells rapidly. This tool is invaluable when you need to extend calculations to a range of cells without manually typing the formula over and over again. To activate autofill, hover your cursor over the small square at the bottom right corner of cell C1. This is known as the fill handle. Once your cursor changes to a crosshair, click and drag the handle downward across the cells where you want the formula applied. When you release the mouse, Google Sheets will automatically fill each selected cell with the formula, adjusting its references along the way. It's that simple. So, there you have it. By using autofill, you've effectively streamlined the process of applying formulas across your sheet, greatly improving your efficiency and productivity. Practice this technique, and soon it'll be a seamless part of your Google Sheets workflow. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on using Google Sheets.